How to reset parental PIN in Epic Games. So what we want to do is go to epicgames.com, and right here we just need to log in with our account, and after we have been logged in, hover over our icon, then go to account. Now from the account section here we will go to parental controls, and it will ask us for our PIN. However, if we have forgotten it and we want to reset it, we'll simply click on forgot your PIN. Please confirm that you would like to reset your parental controls PIN. You'll be sent an email with instructions. So if we click on confirm here, the email to reset the parental controls PIN has been sent. So now we want to enter the email associated with this Epic Games account. So I'm going to come back in a sec. Okay, so the email looks like this. Hello, reset the parental controls PIN for Epic Games account. So we can just click on reset your PIN right here, and it will ask us for a new 6-digit PIN for our parental controls here. So I'll just type this out, change PIN, and you've successfully changed your parental controls PIN. And that's how you do it. Hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.